Dear students, this is B. Rajeshwari, lecturer in botany from DK Government College for Women Autonomous, Nellore. Today I will explain about levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity means diversity of living organisms. Bio means life. Diversity means variety. Here we see different species. Diversity of species is called biodiversity. Definition: biodiversity or biological diversity is the sum total of all life on earth. The variety and variability among living organisms is known as biodiversity. Biodiversity makes the world a beautiful and exciting place to live. Biodiversity is not just the number of living organisms present in any natural ecosystem. Biodiversity is a property of living systems. The most commonly used definition of biological diversity is the totality of genes, species and ecosystems of a region. Levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity is commonly studied at three different levels. Those are genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity. Genetic diversity means diversity of genes within a species. That means genetic variability among the populations and the individuals of the same species. Species diversity means diversity among species in related to number and relative abundance of species in a given area in a community. Ecosystem diversity means it is the highest level of diversity. That means variety of ecosystems on earth. For example, rainforest, coral reefs, etc. First one, genetic diversity. Genetic diversity refers to the variation of genes within species. This covers genetic variation between distinct populations of the same species. It also covers genetic variation within a population. The genetic material, that is DNA or RNA of microorganisms, plants and animals contain information that determines the characteristics of all species and individuals. The number of possible combinations of 4 base pairs of DNA and their interactions with environment form the basis of the variation in the living world. Thus, genetic diversity refers to the differences in genetic makeup between distinct species and to genetic variations within a single species. This is the least visible and least studied level of biological diversity. The maintenance of genetic diversity is a key for long-term survival of most species. The main forces that determine current levels of genetic diversity within species are mutations, migration, selection and genetic drift. The amount of genetic diversity is the basis of speciation. Genetic diversity has made it possible to produce new breed of crops, plants and domestic animals, and in the world allowed species to adapt to changing conditions. Measures of genetic diversity. Genetic diversity can be measured using a variety of DNA based techniques. Those are RELP is restriction, fragment, length, polymorphism. PCR is polymerase chain reaction. SAGE serial analysis of gene expression. These are the DNA based techniques for measuring of genetic diversity. Second one is species diversity. Species means a group of organisms genetically so similar that they can interbreed and produce fertile offsprings is called a species. The species diversity is usually measured in terms of the total number of species with discrete geographical boundaries. In nature, both the number and kind of species as well as the number of individuals per species vary, leading to greater diversity. Species diversity is related to number and relative abundance of species in a given area in a community. Species diversity is essential for the proper functioning of communities in an ecosystem. The species diversity of a region is measured on the basis of species richness. That means number of species in a defined area. Next, species abundance means relative number in each species. Next, phylogenetic diversity, relationship between different groups of species. This is the species diversity in an ecosystem. This is diversity of butterflies. Next, there are three perspectives of diversity at community level. Community level, there are three perspectives or types of diversities. Those are alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity. Alpha diversity means it is the species diversity within community or habitat. This is the one community. Within the community, diversity present in community, within the community is called alpha diversity. Beta diversity, diversity between communities. Diversities between communities is called beta diversity. Gamma diversity, diversity of habitats over the total landscape, or geological area. That is called gamma diversity. Alpha diversity means within the community, beta diversity means between communities, gamma diversity means diversity in the total landscape or geographical area. This is the alpha diversity within the community, beta diversity between the communities, gamma diversity total geographical region. This is called gamma diversity. Now third one, last one is ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem have different species composition that contributes to global species diversity. ecosystem. Last one. Here it exhibits all habitats. Here for this high diversity ecosystems, example tropical rainforests, temperate rainforests, coral reefs. For low diversity ecosystems, example Arctic tundra. All the above three components of biodiversity, that means genetic diversity, species diversity and ecosystem diversity, do not work singly, but they work jointly to give rise to the manifestation of biodiversity. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity has contributed in many ways to the development of human culture, and in turn, human communities have played a major role in shaping the diversity of nature at the genetic, species and ecological levels.